Start, liban na start.
Okay? Ayun yung pinapabawal, hindi pa nilali. Now, don't.
We are here in Santa Cruz Island. Hello guys, we are here in Santa Cruz Island, Zamboanga City. Ayan guys, napakagandang sandbar guys, sarap higaan, no? Haha, sarap mag-relax, nakakawala ng stress. Ano, napakagandang buhangin. Ayan, sarap pagmasdan mga guys, sarap pagmasdan ng ating sandbar. So sa mga gustong pumunta rito, book na kayo, booking na para naman maranasan ninyo ang relax dito sa Santa Cruz Island. Napaka-relax guys, tahimik. Ayan, may mga puno naman, ayan, at may mga ibon na umaawit. Ayan, napakaganda. Ay, salamat kapag relax. Kala mo guys walang utang, may utang pala. Pero sige lang, disregard muna natin yung utang na yan. Ayan, ayan, pagmasdan nyo guys, camera 360. Yeah, ayan, walking by sandbar. Maraming mga turista rin, mga kamoto, mga guys. Mamaya, maligo ako mamaya. Yan yung mababaw, yung malalim. Ayan guys. Santa Cruz Island, Zamboanga City. Ayan o. We are here in Santa Cruz Island, Zamboanga City. Ayan guys, meron po kaming outing, summer outing. Ayan, summer outing ng ating motor trades Zamboanga City. Ayan, and guys, we're here in Zamboanga City, Santa Cruz Island. May summer outing kami guys. Ayan, summer outing ng motor trade Zamboanga City. Yeah.
So please stand for our...
Before we start this program,
We realize that without your blessings, we would not be able to succeed with the plans we have for this activity. Bestow your grace and divine wisdom to all of us present here, so we can cooperate and enjoy camaraderie and love for the greater glory of your name. Bless also those who have left the
Buhay, buhay.
Magandang buwan! Sambuanga cluster, no? So, please bear with me because it is my first time to host an event. No choice. So, let me sing. With the team, teamwork under the sun. So, esta dia, hindi lang kita man-enjoy, hindi maglaro. Sino para man fortalece?
We are here in Santa Cruz Island, Zamboanga City. Magandang sandbar. Pwede ito. Ilaw na dyan. Ha? Tamis.